The local telecom deregulation legislation of 1996 created the perfect environment for the birth of Hawaii Dialogic Telecom. In the beginning, HDT operated simply as a reseller of telephone services for the beautiful state of Hawaii. HDT provided services through the Baby Bell, GTE Hawaiian Tel. That all changed back in 2012 when HDT began developing its own proprietary network. From rooftops, telco towers, and the mountainside, HDT began providing the fastest internet speeds in the entire state of Hawaii. It did this by using innovative, cutting-edge technology inherent in its new network. The unmatched high-level performance of our Hyperfiber and other next-gen product line, including security and load services, has made HDT the fastest-growing internet service provider in the state since 2014. And what exactly is it about HDT technology that puts it in a category all its own? It's called Air Fiber, which operates using proprietary technology. Far more affordable than other platforms, Air Fiber allows the rapid deployment of a live, functioning network. In fact, most new networks are up and running within 6 to 8 weeks, and that's from start to finish. Typically, building and implementing a fast, reliable network of this magnitude can take years, and the costs are simply out of reach for many enterprises. Instead of years, the HDT process takes a few short weeks or months. How do we plan, build, and implement networks that are far better than any other in such a short time and affordable cost? It involves a system we call Rapid Innovations. Our Rapid Innovations process incorporates affordability with reliability and a secure private network that provides a turnkey solution for total network and data command control. It's suitable for any municipality, small or large. Once we get your bandwidth in place, your private secure network can support all the operations and needs of any of today's municipalities. And make no mistake, this isn't something that will take 3 to 5 years to have in place. We can get it now. We have the funds allocated to build such a network. The time is now. In fact, we already have municipalities that have taken the steps to implement this solution in 2018. That's right. If you're ready, so is HDT and Rapid Innovations. We will rapidly and efficiently deploy the newest, most reliable, and cutting-edge technology available in the world today. Each of these critical benefits have one requirement in common: bandwidth. Let Rapid Innovations take your municipality to the next level and get the administrative efficiency and excellence you need and deserve. Let us bring you into a new, secure, high-tech future. Rapid Innovations means rapid deployment, reliable operations, all at affordable prices.